There are three main ways that you can connect your LG soundbar to your LG TV. Bluetooth for a cableless setup, optical with LG SoundSync for 5.1 audio, or HDMI eARC or ARC for Dolby Atmos audio. To do this, just open up the settings menu with the settings button on the remote, then go to all settings. Once you're here, just click on to sound, and then sound out. Here, you'll find a few different options. Optical and HDMI are in Use Wired Speaker, and can be selected with a single click. For Bluetooth, we need to click on Use Wireless Speaker. We'll originally see that Bluetooth device is grayed out. That's fine for now, because we still need to set up the connection. To do this, just click on the three white dots next to Bluetooth device. You should find your LG soundbar under Connectable Devices. We'll select that, and then we'll see that our device is now connected.